Hi everyone, it's Miss Julia from the Early Head Start program. Today's experiment is we're going to decide if things will sink or float. So what you'll need for your materials is a bowl or a bucket of water. And then I picked out a couple of things that are just in my office, but you can look for some materials that can go in your water in your toy box or in your bedroom or in the living room, stuff that you're okay with that can get wet. So maybe nothing with batteries. That's a good idea. So what I have is a little person. I have a cotton ball that I'm going to see if it'll sink or float. And then I have a popsicle stick that I'm going to see. You guys will have to help me guess and we'll try it out, okay? So I'm going to move my camera down so you guys can see my water. And then let's try our person first. Do you guys think he will sink or swim or float? What do you think? I'm thinking that he will float. Let's try it. He's laying right on top of the water. He's good swimming. He's good at swimming. Look at that. Perfect. What about that popsicle stick? The blue popsicle stick. Do you think he will sink or float? He's kind of heavy. I can feel it in my hands. Let's see. Let's try it out. He's floating too. Look at both the person and the blue popsicle stick are both floating. Let's try our little orange cotton ball. Do you think he will sink or float? I'm thinking he's going to sink. I originally thought he would float, but I've been doing this experiment a couple times now, so I'm thinking he will sink. Let's see if I can get him off my, there we go. Can you guys see him? He's sunk all the way to the bottom of the water. He's way there at the bottom. If you can see that well. He kind of blends in with the water. So this is a great activity if you guys want to try different things in your house to see if they sink or float. And you can do this activity outside, or maybe at bath time would be a good idea too. You can try it there. This is just kind of a fun science experiment to incorporate into your day. I always want to mention too, whenever kiddos are around water, it's a safety hazard, so we want to make sure that parents are close by, because they say even an inch of water is a drowning hazard. So just to kind of mention that. Also, if you have an infant, so a very small baby, this is a great, we call it water play, but just kind of exploring the water with their hands is kind of cool for them to learn. Their hands are getting wet, they'll put it to their mouth. This is all part of their learning process when they explore with their sense of taste and just with their mouth. So a lot of times my kiddos did a rubber duck yesterday when we were doing this project. And I know when I'm home visiting, I see babies put the duck to their mouth. And this is all just a part, again, of their learning process. So just to keep that in mind, this project is great for all ages, birth to 3, and even above that too. So I hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day.